so these, we're going to do percent change questions on these. So when you get your quiz, it'll be about half of one side, so maybe 5 to 7 questions. But basically what's going to happen, you're going to look at it each time, like this says 69 to 117. So the first thing I'm going to decide is this an increase or a decrease? Well, it's going up, so therefore I know it's going to be a percent increase, because up means increase. So what I've got to do, I'm going to figure out, all right, what's the change and what's the original. I'm going to set up a line equals a line just so I don't have to worry about decimal points, and so that will be good. What I have to do, I have to find the change between these two things. So I'm going to go 117 minus 69. You're more than welcome to use a calculator on this, so you should be calculating at the same time as I'm going through. So we've got, hold on, pulling up my calculator, 117 minus 69. So that gave me 48. So my change is 48, and my original, which one's the original? Well, the original is always the one you see first. So in this case, it's 69. And I want to find the percent. Well, percent is always over 100. Okay? A lot of people don't have to write that 100 down there. They can just divide it and move the decimal point. Whatever works for you. At this point in time, I'm just going to do the 48 times 100. And then divide it by 69. And so that gives me 69.565214. I'm going to check again just to make sure, because that seems weird, but oftentimes they're weird. Yep. So 69.565 blah, 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 blah. I'm going to round it to the nearest tenth. So my final answer, 69.6. Got it. And these are all percents because I'm finding percent change. All right, so let's try this next one. 19 to 9, is that an increase or decrease? I'm going to go back into this one and say increase. 19 to 9, that's a decrease, right? So first thing I've got to do, I've got to find my change and my original. From 19 to 9, it changes 10. Does it matter if it's positive, negative? No, I just know that later it's going to be a decrease because it's going down. My original was 19. So this time I'm just going to take 10 divided by 19, and it gives me 0.526. I didn't do the equals 100, so in order to equal the 100, I've got to move it over 2 times. So I get 52.6%. And I know it's a decrease because I said that earlier. This next one, 95 to 145. Increase, decrease. Yep, that's an increase. So I find 95 to 45, it went up 50. So my change was 50. What's my original? 95, because that's what I see first. All right, I want a percent, so there we go, 50 divided by 95. Move it over 2 times. It's just a little bit over 50%, so I get 52.6 again. That works, and it's an increase. All right, this one, 82. I'm going down, so it's going to be a decrease. So I'm going to do my change is 88 minus 26. So that gives me 62 over my original of 88. So what percent is 62 out of 88? That would be, did you get it? 70.5%. Be really careful as you are rounding. So 70.5. If you need more help, I've got some videos, other videos that would help you. But this, just keep going at it and try them again. You can find some others online if you need some more help. There's an iExcel for practice over there if you want to try a couple. All right, have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.